This is the Maytronics anti-tangle swivel connector. The swivel can rotate 360 degrees to prevent cord tangles. Pins on the robot side press out. They contact the board on the cable side. The replacement cable is $366. If left in the pool, water can seep into the swivel connector. Salt water and high currents can destroy the contacts. You can see one of the pins is stuck down. We will see if the pin can be retrieved. We need to lift the pin up. On the cable side, the contacts are destroyed. There are areas completely blown away. Drilling a side hole did not help. The pin sits inside a sleeve. Fine pliers could not lift the pin. A sharp blade was used to lift the pin eventually. The pins were all polished. Here a rubber wheel is used. The long pin was lubricated with some silicone oil. It sticks up higher than the other pins. Now, how can we fix this section? This is a roll of copper tape. It's used to prevent snails in gardens. A scarab pad wheel is used. This is to make sure we have a clean surface to stick the copper to. Importantly, check continuity before adding copper. I found that the middle pad had 0 continuity. We use a fine bit to drill out the center. We use a probe to search for continuity.
Some place there, connected. So we've got to join onto that point there.
A wire is soldered to the place of continuity. Acrylic resin is used to fill the hole. This prevents the new join from detaching. It also creates a place to add the copper track. The new central copper pad is placed. The copper is cut with a scalpel. The wire will be soldered to the pad. Superglue was used under the pad. This was because the pad did not stick well to the new acrylic. Some soldering flux was applied. The new copper is joined to the gold pads. Try and keep the solder thin. To try and reduce water leakage, we put some silicone grease into a syringe. I extended the syringe tip with heat shrink tubing. The seal is deep in. The grease is syringed around the internal seal. We test all connections for continuity. Test the two separate sections. Lubricate the O-ring with silicone grease and reassemble the two parts. We test the assembled full cable. Reinstall the repaired cable. Thanks for watching.